Good day everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing a 2025 Spider Farmer self-watering system with 4 kits for indoor grow tents or greenhouses. I paid $159.99 Canadian for this. It's a gravity fed system. The self-watering system, it runs without power, don't need no pumps, nothing like that. No water pressure timers or anything like that. The best results lay in a self-watering pot base, shut-off valve box, tube flat on the ground, and always keep folding bucket filled with water. In the package, you get four self-watering fabric pot bases, one 50-liter folding bucket, a 5x5 gallon grow bag, one silicone tube, 4 meters, one shut-off valve box, and the user manual. So what are the advantages of the Spider Farmer self-watering system? Gravity-fed watering system, no electricity required, 0 energy consumption. It's automatic. Supports up to 130 pounds, robust base for heavy-duty plant containers. Accommodates up to 7-gallon fabric pots, engineered for durability, built to last for years of repeated use. Complete watering solution includes reservoir, self-watering pot bases, cotton rope, and grow bags. Innovative reservoir plate prevents algae growth and water buildup. What tent sizes are suitable for matching? The 2 or 4-piece self-watering kit, a 2-piece self-watering pots base kit system for a 3x3 or a 4x2 grow tent would be 2 pieces. A 4-piece self-watering pot base system would be best for a 4x4 or a 5x5 grow tent. 50-liter water duration for different setups. Knowing how long a filled 50-liter water bucket will last is essential for proper plant care. Keep in mind that the actual duration may vary based on the type of plants and their growth stages. Here's a general guideline for self-watering systems. Pot setup. A full 50-liter bucket typically lasts about 1 month to self-watering fabric pots, providing consistent moisture for healthy growth. A 4-pot setup and a 4-pot configuration, the same 50-liter reservoir will last around 2 weeks. This is great for ensuring multiple plants receive adequate hydration while reducing maintenance. Note, different plants have different water needs. Monitor them regularly to adjust for optimal moisture levels. I am in no way affiliated with Spider Farmer. I have paid for everything in these kits and everything that I'm buying, the tents, all these watering systems and everything. It's all the stuff that I paid for myself, so you can get an honest review here. Thank you everyone for watching, and please don't be shy to say something in the comments. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye now.